Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Asslamoalaikum. Dear brothers, sisters and friends, today we are going to talk about Prophet Hud. His other name is Heber. So Prophet Hud ﷺ was sent by Allah on the people of Ad. They were very clever and great architects. They had built the mansions and everything beautifully. They had known as a lot about the world but less about the Allah. So Allah sent Prophet Hud to them. The people of Adam were living between Oman and Yemen. They were all builders and physically well built. However, they were under the leadership of a director and were worshipping Allah and as well as others. So those friends, then Allah sent a Prophet Hud to guide these people to his path. He told the people not to practice idolatry and worship Allah alone. However, his message did not convince them, and instead he was questioned whether he wanted to be a master and wanted money from his motive. Hud refused, explained he wanted to them to follow the path of Allah and that Allah blessed them with strength, confident and proud. The people asked Hud whether they will judge and their actions and on earth, and Hud agreed. Despite being aware the wealthy peoples were still arrogant and ungrateful, but did not believe him, Hud reminded them of Noah as an ark and what happened if they did not obey the words of Allah. Years passed, the people become more arrogant and proud, believing that the ideals were their gods who protect them. Everybody believed that Hud was crazy, mocked him and accused him as a hurting their gods. Then a drought struck the area, cracked the land, no drop of rain, and people's heads were on fire. Hud asked the people to believe in Allah and he will bring rain, but they laughed at him. And drought restrained until dark clouds appeared. The weather changed drastically, bringing guests that flew everything in its path, including people. All the disbelievers' bodies were torn away by the winds that last 8 days and 7 nights. The people who believed Hud were unharmed and migrated to Yemen to worship Allah alone. The Hud people with their Prophet Hud are mentioned in many places. See especially Quran, Surah Yusuf. And their eponymous ancestor Ad was fourth in generation from Noah, having been a son of Az, the son of Aram, the son of Sam, the son of Noah. They occupied a large tract country in southern Arabia, extending from Oman and the mouth of the present Gulf, the Hadramaut and Yemen, at the southern end of the Red Sea. The people were tall in stature and were great builders. Probably the long winding tracts of sands in their domains were aggregated with canals. They forsook the truth and opposite their peoples. A 3 years famine visited them, but yet they took no warning. At length of a tribe blast wind destroyed them. and their land but remained, known as the second Hud or the Thamud. See below, were saved and afterwards suffered a similar fate for their sins. The tomb of the Prophet Hud, his grave, is still traditionally shown in Hadramaut, listed north 90 miles north of Mokalla. There are ruins and inscription in the neighborhood. According to the local people in the Hadramaut, Saleh was the father of the Prophet Hud, corresponding to the biblical Saleh, father of Heber. Both Hud and Saleh are said to have been grands, those accounting for the extraordinary length of their tombs. Hazrat Hud al-Islam was alive 265 years. Several sites and reserved as the grave of Hud. The most noted site is located in a village in Hadramaut in Yemen. We pray Allah Almighty give us permitted to read and understand our Quran and Hadith. Allah Hafiz.